Hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Vinay, can we have them unmuted?
Yeah, just
they can unmute themselves.
Okay.
Hello, Sachin, Vinay, Rachit. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Nupur.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hello, Vinay sir.
Hi everyone.
Hey,
Hello.
hi, Vinay. Hi, Sachin. Hi,
Hello.
Rachit.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
So finally, Rachit has come. Waiting. Thank you so much, Rachit.
Okay, so all the amazing people, make yourself visible so that we can get going with the stuff. Good evening and welcome to the mastermind. And let's have a quick talk with some of you. Okay, so yeah, Syed Arif, something about you in 15 seconds. Where are you from, and what is your purpose coming here?
Hello everyone, and hello Rachiket. My name is Syed Arif. I'm from Saudi Arabia, and I have joined this Asim Khan CTF in March 2021 and got certified also.
Okay.
So now I'm on a journey of getting it live. Thank you.
Okay, great, amazing. Okay, so Vinay, should we go ahead?
yes, you can.
Okay, so yeah, I'm putting something on chat. Just please reply on that first. Okay, so who has gone through this journey till now? Who has completed this journey of all the 5 weeks? Can I have your hands raised? Those who have completed the 5-week journey.
Okay. So
Those who have completed 5-week journey, please raise their hand. Okay, so those who want to speak about that journey, I'll request. Okay, Akanksha, what is the best thing that you could do to yourself during this journey?
Actually, we find what is negative going around yourself, and you can bring out the positive or the empowering thing in you.
So, what is that positive thing in you? That very important positive that happened to you during the entire journey?
Giving importance to myself.
Okay.
And putting me as a priority.
Very good. Wonderful. Amazing. So who's the next one to speak? Akanksha got 2 wonderful things during the program. Who's the next person? Indrajit, on which week are you?
Hi, Rachit.
Hi, Indrajit.
I started it some time back, but due to some problem to me, I again starting from Monday onwards.
Which week have you completed till now?
Not that, only 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So are you all set to fire up again?
Yeah, I'm good. I will start again from I think
Wonderful,
Monday
wonderful.
with Sachin.
Great. Amazing. Okay. So anyone else who want to share the breakthrough or the actual change during the journey? Yes, Jagrati, please.
so every week, every step, there has been an insight. There have been breakthroughs. I've never seen myself at such, myself with so much depth. And wherever there has been a pattern, where there has been a mess, and that was amazing to see. like constantly the same kind of decisions that I've taken, and I've been in absolute trouble. The way I think, the way I do things, and everything was like, I know, but it is like there right in front of me to see, and it's in a very systematic way. Otherwise, when we are thinking, it's all inside our head, and we don't know what we are doing, and
Okay.
it's a struggle. But this was like, okay, these words, okay, this is what you're doing here, this is what you're doing here, this is good about you, this needs to be worked upon. So it was massive, the entire, all
So
the.
to sum up, Jagrati, to sum up, what is that thing that you will take away from this journey till now that has happened to you that was not there earlier?
One is if you want me to take only one, then yeah, that the way I would make decisions.
Decision making, amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jagrati. Thank you, Jagrati. Wonderful. So Jagrati talks about that she got decision making. Akanksha talked about that she got to connect with herself more, value herself more. Okay, Tajinder, yes. Anything that you feel that is something new about you in this journey? And after that is a
Hello, everyone.
hi, hi.
So in this journey, I got to know so much about myself. I knew that I was a perfectionist, but how my states affect me, that I got to know from here. And daily, I can keep myself in higher state due to this journey. This is my first
Okay.
takeaway from this program.
Higher state. Look, the beauty of it, the things are same, and you can actually figure out what it is there for you to take. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, Priyanka. So
Yes, for me, the most important aspect were the BMs and how I had started to ignore them while growing up. Like eventually, as more responsibilities kept adding, I kept letting them go. But then I realized how important they actually make you feel and how important it is to have them frequently.
okay, great. You're talking about the buzz moments and all those things. Amazing. Great, great, great. Amazing, amazing. Are you practicing them regularly?
Yes. So I had reduced doing them a lot, but then eventually I realized I had started to become less happier day by day. And then now, as I completed them, it's like I'm so happy.
Okay.
I feel good.
Great, great. Wonderful, Priyanka. So, okay, can we have Vinay? Vinay talking about Vinay. What is your top three? What you call as something turning point by doing all this that you're doing?
For me, the journey got broken my head, the way my tough head was. I used to think that I was always right in everything. So I used to think I am right in every single thing I used to do. After reading my personality report, I got to know that I'm not right in everything. I'm in the average state.
Okay.
So that is one thing. Second is I had two things in my life: curiosity and depth in each and everything, whatever I used to do. So people used to bug me that why do you need to get into the depth of each and everything you do? But that was my passion and my interest of getting into the depth. I was not knowing anything before, but after going through this journey, I understood that they are my top two of the baselines part of my life. Then I understood why I do that, even though I don't need to. Then that's the biggest breakthrough I've got.
Okay.
Yeah. And the third one, I never used to follow time. Now everything happens on dot time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Great, great. That is amazing. That is wonderful.
Thank you.
So can we have something which is very different has happened to someone because of this? Very different that, there's out of the blue that you never could expect that thing to happen in your life and has happened to your life. ऐसा कुछ किसी के साथ हुआ है? Okay, Vandana. Yes, Vandana.
Yeah, hi. I think I have finished maybe 3 or 4 weeks.
3
Just
or
the
4?
Yeah,
3 or 4?
initial, yeah.
Okay.
So, like before, I wasn't sure whether I'm going to join this program. I was like too confused, and all the coaches and a mastermind helped me, to take a decision and make me what to say, make me convince someone that I want to do this. And as I told my coach Sachin that it's not so easy to convince my husband. It's very tough because first of all, financially, it's not so easy to ask him money for anything what I want. I'm totally dependent on him because I'm jobless. And I don't know how did I convince. I told, see, I can see
So,
the positive thing in me, and I know I'll change myself. And within 5 minutes, he said, take this money, do what makes you happy. I was like, seriously, I made myself convinced.
so what did you say to him?
I told, see, my negative thoughts always affected our relationship. Like, I always get moody and, lost my track. I don't know what I do, what I used to do. I don't know how to, make myself happy also. I never did anything for myself till now. So I really wanted to change myself in that and, something which could make me happy. And I convinced him that I can, I'll be positive, I'll think positive. And I said, see, you can already make out, see how happy I am, how positive I am. I realized that you take ahead, go ahead, take this course. I was like, okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Amazing. Super, Vandana.
Thanks.
Okay. So, hi, Kiran. Yes, please.
Hi everyone. So I want to share my experience, what changed in me. So that was the question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So earlier I used to be a very camera shy person. I never used to take so much of pictures with my friends or family members. But now I have gained so much of self-love and self-worth that I think that I'm good enough, and that has made me started my YouTube journey. So I interview people, I go on YouTube, I make some videos. So that is the biggest achievement I can say. Otherwise it would not have been broken till the last day of my life, I think, if I would not have joined this journey. So it's just incredible.
Okay, great. So can we have Kunal speaking something about his
Hi, Rachit.
experience? Hi, Kunal.
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Kunal. I've completed 8 weeks of this program.
Okay. Wow.
The confidence to pursue those ideas. But now, after these 8 weeks, I can say that I am very confident. I'm confident enough to pursue my ideas. And all thanks to Sachin that I was able to take this step.
So have you completed the program or you are still on it?
I've completed 8 weeks. 8 weeks of the program.
Okay, and Sachin is coaching you? Okay, great. So round of applause for Kunal and Sachin. Great job, guys. Amazing. Kunal, आपकी ट्रेन रुक गई क्या? आप ट्रेन में है ना, right? You are in a train.
Hello.
Amazing, Kunal. Seriously, in the train and still on the call. Wow.
Yeah, sorry, I'm traveling. I'm traveling to Pune. That's why.
I would like to share on behalf of him. Kunal has written a co-author as a book. He has published his book right now. So it's an achievement for him.
Okay, so can we put reactions for Kunal? I am putting my reaction. You can put your reaction. Amazing achievement. Amazing, Kunal. We are getting reactions of all possible sorts: thumbs up, hearts, the party popper, and all the claps. Great, Kunal. Amazing. So I hope to see a book completely authored by you soon as well, isn't it? Amazing.
Yeah, as of
amazing.
now, I've completed eight books. Hopefully, in the future, I'll write a book of my own.
Amazing, Kunal. Nice to know you. Neeta Gupte is quite keenly looking on the screen, and I want her to speak something about. Yes, Neeta, what
Sir,
are you doing? And
Sir, I have just joined. I am on week 0, day 0.
week 0, day 0. And who is your coach, Neeta?
Sachin, sir.
Sachin is your coach. Amazing.
Yeah.
Sachin. Okay, so Sachin, speak something about Neeta. How do you find her before starting the program, and what you're looking for the transformation as a coach for her?
She's an amazing person. And I had just had a discovery call with her, and I found she is really amazing. She just feel like stuck right now, her in her mind only. And I'm really wanted her to move ahead of that mind, and she can do more. She is going to be an amazing person, because I know she is amazing. I know what her blocks are there, and I'm going to clear it. So she's going to be talking on. Yeah.
Great. So
Thank you,
Neeta, what are the things that you're looking from, right here? That these are the things that I'll be able to achieve and make sure that these happen in my life.
So I'm
So-
looking for a big change in myself.
What kind of a change that you're talking about?
Just like Sachin, sir, and you. I would like to be
Like me
host of
means
a-
you want
like
to
a
have hairstyle like me?
No, not looks, but yeah, I would like to be on that chair of the host as a
Yes.
mastermind.
Okay, I get up. Come here, please. You're
But
welcome.
I'm in Hyderabad right now, and I'm in still. I should say I'm an embryo right now for this course.
Okay, so Neeta, talk something about you. What brought you to this program, and what was that appealing thing that you felt that yes, this will work for me? What is that thing?
So actually, I saw the ad on Facebook, and it was Arfin Khan, and I have known Arfin Khan before.
Okay.
So that was the thing which
So
appealed to me.
Sachin, is Neeta from Facebook?
No, she's from WhatsApp campaign. She just booked the appointment with me, and I just had her.
Okay, great. So how do you feel, Neeta, before even starting your journey? Is it promising? Are you excited about it?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
How much are you excited?
Very 110%, I should say.
So prove it.
You give me a task, I will prove it.
No, the task should be yours. Okay, conduct the mastermind for the next 5 minutes. Okay, you can do anything. Pick up anyone, ask anyone. Okay, so you are the host now. You wanted to be the host? Okay,
Yeah,
be
yes,
on your
yes.
seat and become the host. All the best. Aapka outcome, you have achieved it on day 1. Let's go in the reverse direction now. Flashback चलते हैं. अब बन चुके हैं host. अब
Yeah.
बात करते हैं, ठीक है? Okay.
Yeah.
आप अपनी journey के बारे में बताइए नीता कि during that journey, how from a Neeta as a participant and as a host, how it happened. So talk about your journey, okay? Get good. When you're
So-
already a host now, after a few months. Okay, please go ahead with that.
So hello everyone. So today we are going to conduct this mastermind. So I would like to, I'm giving a small task for everyone. I would like to know what dinner did you have yesterday night? How many of you are aware of what you are eating every day? And I would like to see how much awareness everyone has. So I would like to see your dinner exactly. Please be very honest with yourself. I would like to see what you have had for dinner.
Okay, so you can pick up anyone and ask.
Yeah. Yeah, I would like to ask my name, same name, Neeta H.
Okay, Neeta H. She's speaking Neeta H. She's looking beautiful, isn't it? Like a model.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to look her. Okay. Don't look at the face, she's speaking from some other. She is logged in with 4 IDs here. So you need to check out where is she speaking from.
Hi, Neeta. Nice
Hi.
to see you. I am a light eater, so I ate dal khichdi last time.
Okay, so how was it? You prepared yourself or?
Yes, because I was on multiple calls and then I had to be on a call with Sachin. So I wanted a quick fix. So Dal Khichdi comes to rescue.
So good. So do you think it was very nutritious, and what the phase you are going through, it was compatible with that?
Neeta, you have 3 minutes more.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. I ensure whatever I cook has a lot of nutrition. So I don't put just one dal into it. I make sure I put multiple dals into it because I have 2 kids and I have to ensure that they have a good nutrition. So I just don't cook. I mean, I ensure I take care of it, that everything is a part of the dinner.
Yeah.
So there's salad also along with it.
Yeah, that's good, Neeta. Now I would like to ask Nishita.
You're
Hello,
pretty-
everyone. Neeta, such a wonderful start. Really, I am your fan already, day one.
Thank you.
To be honest, I went out with my family for dinner yesterday, and the food was not that healthy because we have kids and they loved all this, pizza, burgers, and all.
Yeah.
So that's how it was yesterday. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. I would like to, before I finish my 5 minutes, I would like to tell you that I'm a nutritionist actually.
Whoa.
So that's why I asked this question, because I'm very much believe that what we eat, it should be with full awareness and with, it should be nutritious and very helpful to our body, and we should enjoy when we eat it. So that was, this was a small exercise for that. Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. So who all believes that Neeta has done a good job on her first appearance? Raise your hands. Put up your reactions. Put up your reactions. Whatever you feel about the performance. Hit the reaction box. Come on. Neeta is such a sweet person.
All Neetas are born sweet and happy and confident.
Yes.
Is it? Oh, is it? Oh. Okay. So who can we have next doing this amazing thing? Vinay, please check your chat box as well, dear.
Yes. Yeah. I'm just checking it.
Can we have Nadia? Hi, Nadia.
Hi everyone.
Hello. So what are you doing? Have you done all the weeks? And what is
Yes,
your biggest achievement of this?
To be honest, to learn different things, and sometimes it's okay to do mistakes. So I let go of my other side, and I think when I'm uncomfortable is when I do well. So I think that was a lesson I learned from my side. It really helped me a lot.
Okay, great. Anyone who still feels that they want to have something and they really by now they are not able to do that, but they still want that thing to happen. So is anyone there like that? That they want a big thing to happen in their life and they're still waiting for it. So let's see who is there that a person wants this and they're waiting for it. Anita Ladha. Yes, Anita, please. What is that thing?
Unmuted.
Yeah, magic, working with people, how to enroll people, how to go ahead, understand people. That is what I'm working with right now. Relationships.
Okay, relationship.
With money and with people.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Next.
Let's have. Okay, so can we have who has done till week 3? Alka, where are you till now? Alka Oswal.
Hello, Rachel.
Hi, Alka.
So I'm a coach. I've completed all my weeks. So what do you want to ask me something?
Yeah, you are a coach already.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, so how do you find the program, and what is the best thing that happened to you, and which thing helped you a lot? Week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Week 3 helped me a lot. That is Outcome Plus.
Okay.
That's because I used to procrastinate a lot, and I had many things in my hand, haywire, don't know what to do, how to do, and how to go about it.
Okay.
Stuck in my familiar things. So when anything unfamiliar come up, especially in my career wise, I was not able to balance it. I would say I was not able to plan it, that what is the first step I should take. So here the Power Leaps, the Outcome has helped me a lot. This is one thing. Second, my personality is a peacemaker, and I was someone who never worked on myself, who never kept myself as first. So this program has helped me doing that. That is balancing my own priorities plus until before my life.
Okay.
So I've understood doing that, and I don't say I've completely achieved it, but yes, I've at least reached 80% of it that I can see.
Oh, great. And what is the next thing that you want to do as a coach? What is that thing that you want to put it to the people around you?
Okay, put it to the people is now I actually want to, the way I worked on myself, now I want that I could even help more number of people in achieving the same results who are sailing in the same boat like me.
And are you certified now, Alka?
Yes, I'm certified. I started one batch also.
Okay.
And so that way my clients are getting good results, but I should move more, I feel.
Okay. So Alka, what is your personality type?
I'm a peacemaker.
Okay. Neeta, what are you as a personality? Neeta H.
Just a sec, I need to open the
I'm
door.
also
There's someone on the
peacemaker.
door.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yes, Neeta.
I'm a peacemaker as well.
Oh,
Yes.
2 peacemakers. Who all are peacemakers? Who all are peacemakers? Raise your hand. In the reactions. Raise your hand in the reactions. Okay, because the hand raised are arranged in the sequence on the screen, and that is easy to identify because we cannot see all of all the faces. Sometimes you raise your hand for a second and then say आपने तो देखा ही नहीं. अरे आप उठा के रखिए ना, आप अपना मत उठाइए, आप कंप्यूटर को कष्ट कीजिए, ठीक है? आप अपना हाथ आराम रेस्ट करिए टेबल पे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay, so Vandana Prakash, Priyanka, Sachin, Syed, Nishita, Neeta, अलका हैंड रेस करो ना अलका, पीस मेकर है तो. इंद्रजीत ताली क्यों बजा रहे हैं? आपको अच्छा लग रहा है इतने सारे पीस मेकर को देख के? हैंड रेस कीजिए, अगर पीस मेकर हैं तो आप भी ऊपर आ जाएंगे.
Raise the hand.
या नहीं, वो खुश है इतने पीस मेकर देख के, तो मुझे लगा ये भी हो सकता है.
Wow.
तो मैंने पीस मेकर, फिर भी धरती पे पीस नहीं है, झगड़े हो रहे हैं.
7 people.
They don't have the right set of peacemakers.
Okay, so Vinay, anything for all these lovely peacemakers that you want to speak?
Definitely. I would like to select 2 of them to discuss about the personality type, and I'd like to see how people respond to each and every.
So Vinay, can we take Shahana and Inderjeet for this activity, if you allow us?
Yeah.
Okay, so Shahana and Inderjeet. So let's see what Vinay has in store for you.
Sure, definitely. So thank you, Rachit, for the opportunity to take them through. So have you read your personality types, the Sahana and Indrajit?
Hello, everybody. Yes, I have read my personality type, and I'm in my Outcomes Plus week right now.
Wow.
So when I started this journey, the first thing that I, had access to was my complete personality report, and I was blown away by that, because there were so many things that, I knew about myself and I could never express. I found that in the report. And there were many things that I never knew about myself, and I was wondering why I behave in a certain way. Why do I withdraw suddenly, and why am I not able to do whatever I want to, and I keep procrastinating, and so many more things. So I got answers for that. Okay, so this is the reason I do that. So I came to know about myself in a much deeper way, and I think the personality report is amazing. And yes, so that was a big breakthrough, like going through the personality report, identifying what drives me and how to, put myself in the good state, what I can do, my core coping skills, etc. So that was very helpful.
How about you, Indrajit? Thank you, Shavana.
Actually, I forgot. Sorry, actually, I forgotten my that report. What is about that peacemaker? But I know the personality of Dalai Lama. Okay,
Yeah.
always helping the people and always in a positive mood. Okay, to
Yeah.
see the things in a positive way. Okay, and it is a good thing to be in a peacemaker because always we are fighting inside and to the things we are in a household and doing some work in the doing job. Okay, and that time that things we are fighting in between us and we are seeing outside the world, and we are not we are comparing with self and to others. Okay, that time it looks that I should improve myself to be in between the that तो माइंडसेट चेंज करना है किसी को, फिर सोचते रहना किसी के बारे में कि वो क्या सोच रहा है मेरे बारे में, मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ उसके बारे में. ओके, एंड देन to be peace with self, it is a peacemaker. Okay, I think so. So I need more reading about my this personality trait and all this state, because I had in between I had stopped this my course in between.
That's
Due to
okay.
some,
That's really great. That
again I need some more understanding about this peacemaker.
definitely you will get back to it.
I would like to add something to what Indrajit said.
Yeah.
He said that, actually we need to be in peace with ourselves, and also that what people think about us, we keep thinking about it. So I would like to add one point. So I'm a kind of person, who predicts a lot. So maybe you can tell it's intuition, or maybe I just keep predicting stuff. So when someone passes a statement, I go deep into it and tell that this is what is going in their mind. That is what they have told me this. I used to tell that. And my husband, he tells me that, see, don't do their thinking part also. Let them do theirs. You don't overthink. He used to tell me that. So I used to predict a lot, or maybe I don't know, overthink and take stuff in negative manner. I used to sit and brood about myself, but then I stopped doing that. So if something I do not like, or maybe something is troubling me, instead of sitting, getting withdrawn and not speaking to anybody, I go and talk and then try to solve that. I see that's a great change in me. So with my husband also, normally it would take 3 days for me to patch up, but now it's like instantly I go and confront him what is wrong, and then I feel good about solving my issues quickly. So being aware of what you are and what puts you in a wrong state, that actually fixes things quickly. That's what I've noticed.
I want everyone to just focus on what these people are saying, because let me tell you this, not everyone might not know all the personality types. You might know only your own personality type because you yourself have taken this, but you observe the words of these people, what they say. Confronting, peacefulness, I cannot confront people. So these are very keen to them. So the actual objective of this exercise is to make you understand or make you feel that you might have different people in your life, in your workplaces, in your day-to-day routine. So when you go through all these people, when you know these kind of people, then you will be in a better position to deal with them, work with them, and have a better relationships in your family. That is the power of the personality type. Now, you know your personality type and know the other personality types, then you will be better aware to work with different people. So let's do a small activity here. I want one more person as a peacemaker who wanted to volunteer. Just raise their hands. First come, first serve. I mean, first whoever raises their hand, they can be part of it. Who is raising? Digital hands. Oh, Priyanka. Thank you. So the Priyanka, Sahana, and Indrajit are the three people. Let's assume I'll create an activity wherein Priyanka and Shahana would be two peacemakers and two different people who are staying in an hostel or a room. They are roommates. And Indrajit is a friend of Shahana. And these people party like just a hotel and just get all the imagine that they are all together with different people there. And these people, when they have the conversation, how they react. And Shahana and Priyanka would be two people, wherein Indrajit is a friend of Shahana. Indrajit, on a lighter note, he's always on a lighter note, happy, flying all the time. And he comments something to Shahana and Priyanka. And how does the reaction goes, we'll see in a different states. So we'll see how they react in the average state and how they react in the good states. So did you get it? You got it, right? Yeah. So I'll share my screen with the average states of an peacemaker. And how do you react in a peacemaker average state, and how do you react in a good state? We'll see the differences. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So who wants to take up the activity first? Shahana or Priyanka?
When I scroll it up, because you
Yeah.
know the bold portion is good enough to understand it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Thanks, Manoj.
This is the average state. This is the average state of a peacemaker.
Yes.
Yeah. Priyanka, you have to go with this.
I read it out loud first?
Yes, yes, yes. I want you to read it loud and clear so that everybody can listen to it.
So when I'm in an average state, I try to avoid conflict as much as possible because it causes me a great deal of anxiety and loss of peace of mind. I try to stay comfortable and maintain my peace of mind is by being passive, tuning others out, spacing out, and daydreaming.
So this is the average state of a peacemaker. So you would see how, when she read it, what happened. So how would you react when Indrajit plays a joke and you get serious and you get hurt and you leave the place? How would you go and talk to Shahana in this state, and how would you want her to respond to that state?
So I would not initiate until Shahana initiates it herself, because I would not want to bring it up until she knows it for herself that I am upset about it.
What would
Absolutely. I can completely relate to what Priyanka has said, because we do not want to even discuss that something has gone bad, and we want people to understand by themselves and then come and speak to us about it. We do not want to initiate a conversation to fix things. We just keep quiet about it because it upsets us.
And then even if Shahana would ask, and I'll be like, "Kya hua? Like, what has happened?" Fine, you go.
Nothing happened. We keep telling nothing happened. Yeah, everything is fine. So until we can't keep it in ourselves, and then it is very evident, it shows on our face and everything that we do, we keep just telling that, okay, nothing happened, I'm fine. We try to avoid it.
But then we're not happy.
Right, absolutely.
True.
How do you deal with it?
Absolutely right.
But how do you deal with it?
Deal with it, do activities that are of probably no use. Just keep sitting and maybe watch videos or do stuff that is actually not so important or in our schedule. Just pass time and not do something that is important. Just pass your time. That's it.
Brood over it for longer.
Right. Yes.
And expecting the other person to take the lead instead of starting off and trying to get rid of it, whatever
Yes.
it is that is troubling.
What is the kind of feeling it is happening inside of you?
Okay, there's a storm, but nobody knows about it. It's within. And but we want to make harmony. We don't want to show it out that we are very peaceful. There's no problem from my end. So I'm very good. That is something that I put up. So nobody knows there's a problem with me unless they're very close to me that I have a problem. So I'm sitting quiet. I'm not talking about it. And I'm being too good, actually. Where I'm being too polite. Then you have to know there is some red flag.
So you mean to say that you be very silent so that you don't show up that turbulence which is happening inside?
Passive aggression, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So is it something like you people wanted to make peace by having peace outside and turbulence inside?
not like it, but that is what the average state does to
Uh,
us.
Now let's go to the good state of an peacemaker. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Yes.
The good state of a peacemaker. The few examples are, yeah, Priyanka, I want you to read them. Talking in the background, can you mute yourself?
Bhandari, can you please mute? Thank
Yeah,
you.
I'm muted. I just muted.
Thank you, Vinay.
Yeah. Can you read this?
The examples of good peacemakers.
Yes.
Okay, Abraham Lincoln, Gerald Ford, Ronald Reagan, Kevin Costner, the 14th Dalai Lama, Jimmy Stewart, Ringo Starr, Dwight Eisenhower, Julia Child, and Woody Harrison.
So these are the few examples of the peacemakers. I'll just go to the good state of a peacemaker. Yep.
In a good state, I am an excellent, uncritical listener and great at understanding differences in viewpoints between other people. I am genuinely, can you please scroll a bit? I am genuinely easygoing and good-natured.
So this is the good state of an peacemaker. And this is the very good state of a peacemaker. Can you read this?
I have natural gifts and talents. The universe tends to move me in the direction of bringing people together, working for peace and healing the world.
That's wonderful. So in this good state, how would you react with Shahana in this case?
So if in the first place, if Indrajit says something, we would laugh about it. Ha 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 ha, that, oh, you're so funny or something like that. It would not take us to that state already. And if it has gone, then I would call up Shahana and say, Shahana, I needed to really discuss to you about this. How is Indrajit otherwise? Because what he said to me, I really did not like it. Did he mean it actually? Because you know him. I know you're good friends with him. So, like maybe he said it in another tone, but I could not take it. So if you could, just tell me about him, I would take it the way, you would know him better than I do. So would you like to elaborate or, would you like to talk about it?
You're talking to Shahana, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Shahana, you have to respond to her.
Okay. So yes, when she would ask, when Priyanka would ask me that, I would try to explain that, what kind of a person Indrajit is, and if he really meant to hurt her or it was just a silly comment, and she need not take it seriously probably. So I would say something like that, and it wouldn't be, that of an issue.
How would you react, Shahana? How would you react if Priyanka asked for an apology from Indrajit because he hurt her? How would you go and talk to Indrajit about this?
Okay, so maybe I would talk with Indrajit now and telling that, hey, why did you, comment Priyanka about that? Maybe it was on a lighter note, but she didn't feel so good about it. How about you going and apologizing with her? Would you mind doing it? I would go and ask him to, apologize. And if he comes up telling that, okay, would you want to talk Indrajit about it? How would you react?
Indrajit, how would you react to that situation when Shahana comes and asks you to apologize?
In that situation is no issue from my side. I can talk to her also, because if I had pointed something and hurting someone, and I should apologize for that.
Problem solved. He would go and apologize. Everything is good.
Yeah, yes, definitely.
If you are in the average state, how would you have been reacted to them?
Me?
Yeah.
I feel hurted if I hurt someone.
Okay.
Because why I said something to someone.
So would you go and apologize directly at that moment of time, or would you say, why should I do that? What is
Definitely,
process?
from my side, if Shana said to me to apologize or to say something to her, I will definitely go and apologize for that if I heard something.
Any other points you people wanted to make? So
One more thing, during this apology thing, when normally we are actually very cautious that we don't hurt anybody's feelings. So we are cautious about that. But in case something happens and we do something that somebody is offended, this constant guilty feeling, even after going and apologizing, we cannot get back to the normal state so soon. So normally what I do is I apologize, and then again in 5 minutes, I feel the urge of apologizing again. I just cannot get over that easily. So I feel that why did I do it? Why did I do it? I keep thinking so much about it that I feel so bad about myself. And the person has already accepted that, and he's like, okay, it's okay, come on. But I cannot get over that. So it takes a longer time for me to get to normal.
That happens when, to me, that happens when I'm in the average state, not in the good or the very good state. So in the
Yes.
very good state, it's mostly I'm at peace with myself as well as people around me. So
I agree on this point.
anybody wants to, out of the peacemakers, anybody wants to add any points, your experiences? Just raise your hands. Okay, in the best states, I have an example of a peacemaker who is and who used to have conflicts. Obama is the one. He's the person. He was also a peacemaker. And as far as my understanding, it's not that they don't go into the conflicts. It's that they do, but they do it to an extent that if they want to have peace, they need to have conflict. In the very good state, they do it. In the average state, they don't go for the conflicts, but in the best states and the good states, they would go all out, take that conflict, resolve that, and say that even to have peace, I'll go to an extent to have conflict. Am I right?
yes.
How do you do it?
So I take it forward in a very light mode, like teasing the other person, and I take the conflict ahead and putting my point forward and ensuring that the other person is also in a lighter mode by the time it is resolved, as well as my thing also gets resolved. So that is how I take it.
What if you are in the same situation in the average state and the below average state and the destructive state? How would it react to it?
So in the average state, I would not take that up at all. I would let it be. So like for a few days until I'm back to, like, I feel that, I am like in a full power mode and I can take it forward, and let's see, like who can come in my way, and then I set it off. But then in the average state, I do not even think of, going into it. I'm like, I try to escape it as much as possible. So that is me in the average.
That's really brilliant. Thank you.
Honestly, I've not experienced the low or the destructive mode, thankfully, so far. But average state, I do not take up.
So anybody from the complete group, anybody wants to ask questions to peacemakers? Any questions? Raise your hands, raise your hands. No questions? Nobody wants to ask questions? Sirat, I think you have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, Vinay, I want to ask Shana and Priyanka, like if you have a client who's a peacemaker and they don't want to admit that there is an issue in their life, so how do you get to their pain point?
The pain point is this only, that they do not want to work upon it. However, from inside, they know that this is the only thing. So for me, adding significance is very important. So if I feel that, I'm adding value to somebody's life, and somebody can make me, assure me that, if I do this, then I can add some value into somebody's life, that can really help me out.
But like for you to join the course, like if I have to convince you to join the course, what's a good point that I have to hit on? Like, if I have a peacemaker as a client.
So like I said, like for me, if somebody tells me if you do this, you can really help people and you can reach them out, and that is what I want.
Okay. And if there's a money objection that you have from your side, then still that's the same point that works for you.
Yeah.
So contribution, yeah.
Yes, it is.
Seerath, I would like to, tell
Yes,
you my
Shanna.
views also. So when, I did not take up this program, and my coach was, she took a discovery session and she was trying to help me with that. So I was in my average state. I know that after reading the report, but while I was reading it, I never realized it. I thought I'm in my good state, and I never even accepted that I was ever in my average state. I used to think I'm in my good state, so I never thought there's something wrong with me also. But while I was and the money matter also, I do not want to, because I'm not working right now. I do not want to burden my husband or anybody for that matter, that they would have to pay that huge amount for me. But when she was very persistent, she was my coach, and she kept telling her story. Actually, the story moved me when she told me that how this changed her. For example, if you want to tell your client, I think story is a great thing. You can tell that whatever the client says about herself or himself, you can give a similar story where you tell that when you're in a certain state and you do nothing about it, this is how it's going to carry on, and you will not know about it. But when you improve, this is something that is going to change your life forever, and what transformation is. And you can give a similar story where the person has changed from A point to B point, and it has been a total transformation, what they're doing in life right now, and focus on what they can do, in fact, what they can achieve. So I think that will have a huge impact, because I was looking for a purpose in life. And when she told me like how things changed for her after doing this program and all that, was very inspiring. And money was definitely a concern, because I was not going to get it. I had to get it from my husband. But then I was able to stand up and tell that this is really important for me and I want to do it. It's actually never about the money, it's about the decision. You're not sure enough to go and take that risk. So if you can convince the client that what difference it's going to bring in their lives, and how powerful the system is, no matter whatever state you are in, you can definitely come up to a higher state, and you can achieve more in life by just following your coach, then I think that should really help. You should make them dream. You should make them, do an activity where the client can actually go and think of what they do not have now, what they can have later in life, and how good they would feel. And is 40,000 really a concern about going to that place? I don't think anybody would have that.
Let's
So maybe we
discuss.
can do that.
I mean, we had a crunch of time. Let's discuss these things in the mastermind, which is coming at 7 o'clock. I want you, everyone, who is to be part of that. And going further, you have seen that how these people as a peacemakers react to each and every situation. That's beautiful. Thank you, Indrajit. Thank you, Shahana. And thank you, who was the other person? Priyanka. Give a big round of applause for all of them to be doing this activity. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
I
Vinay,
want
for
you to do something
I would
before.
like to thank everybody else.
I want you to do something before leaving, because it's already 6. Everybody's tight with time. So just pull your cheeks back like this. Everyone, please switch on your cameras. Please switch on your cameras. Everyone on the screen. Let's do some fun activity. Everyone on the screen. I want everyone to switch on their cameras and do this. Let's have this fun Saturday. Everyone. Alka, Nadia, Akansha, Kiran, Tarak, Prachi, Seema, Monica, Jyoti, Aman, everyone on the screen, please switch on your cameras. Let's do this something. Yeah, just pull your cheeks back. Lightly put your hand, pull your cheeks back. Do this with the count of 3. How long can you do it? Let me count 1 to 10. How long can you do it? I like to unmute all, and let's do this. Everyone unmute. Everyone unmute. Everyone unmute. 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 this. Hala, everyone. I couldn't see. You have to get relaxed. Nobody doing. Syed is just laughing. Mosika is just laughing. Achita is just laughing. Don't just enjoy the stage, man. Participate. Let's do last one time. One last time.
No.
Put your cheeks, put your hand on your cheek. If you want to have fun, you have to fun. Puneet, unmute yourself. Yes, unmute yourself. Rachi, Manur, Seema, Aman. Just do this. Raki, unmute yourself. Last one time. Put your hand on your cheek. Let's give a big round of applause for everyone who is on the stage. For making this happen, all the beautiful people. So much. Before leaving, I want to fill up the feedback form and give the feedbacks. And in the meanwhile, I'd be picking up each one of you. I want you to ask you each takeaways for today. And I'll be taking up one-on-one as the sequence on my screen. Shahana, I want you to go first. What is one takeaway for you on this call? For the next 30 seconds, I want you to say that. Remaining people, you can fill the feedback form. I've sent in the chat box. Please do that so that we can improve this masterminds every single week.
Okay, should I tell or fill it in the form?
Yes. I want you to tell your one takeaway.
I actually could see how peacemakers behave in different states. So that was really nice to see it in action. And another thing, not being self-conscious and just going out and doing what everybody else is doing. So that was really nice. The last fun activity.
Thank you so much. Give a big round of applause to Shahana today.
Thank you.
Everyone. Who's next? Jagruti. Yeah, what's your one single takeaway for today? The most important one.
How to use the personality report.
Thank you.
And how to convert ourselves into a child.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
I don't think I have done that even as a kid.
And let me tell you this. The way we used to be joyful in the childhood, even children, we did not have any inhibitions. We get everything. But the moment we grow up, we get all the inhibitions filled up into the container that we don't open up what our true potentials are. Let's be child every single moment of the day. Then you see how your potential gets up from your inside out. So who's next? Neeta Hatch. What's your takeaway for today?
Oh, this was my first session and it was nice. Just like Jagruti put it, I loved the way we can use the personality test to our advantage and how we can build that to use that to build a great rapport with the client. So it was a great takeaway for me.
That's wonderful. Thank you for sharing your takeaway. Vandana, what's your one single takeaway for today?
Today's it was a great activity. I actually was expecting someone would call us a sentinel and speak. I hope.
Definitely, you have to come every single week to experience what sentinels do. It is happening every single week. You are missing it. Don't miss it. This is a family. Every single time you come, you learn, you share your experiences. You can make mistakes. You can only make mistakes here because life doesn't give you opportunity to make mistakes. It hits you hard. Whether you want to make an excuse or whether you want to take an action, it's your choice. And I want to see you all every time on this call. And who's next?
And the activity at the last was awesome.
Thank you so much.
I went back to my school days.
Wow, that's brilliant. Thank you. Nishita, what's your outcome for today? I mean, the takeaway for today.
My best takeaway was the activity that we did last, going back to our childhood.
Wow.
And of course, explaining the personality report, how we can use it better, for our own understanding and relate in, per day we can relate.
Thank you.
awareness only goes more when we connect to our report.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's give a big round of applause for Nishita. Go to Anita today. What's your one takeaway which you had in this today's session?
Yeah, like how to go about using the personality report, the importance of personality report, and how I would be going ahead with that seriously.
1 second. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Yeah. Thank you, Anita. Let's give it. Indrajit, what's your one takeaway for today?
Hi.
Yeah.
I was connecting to you people. It is nice to meet you all on this mastermind session. And today's it's good to know about something what the peacemakers are. Okay, and it was a lovely discussions, and it is good. And last activity was done. It was very good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's give a big everyone, clap for him. Everyone, I want you to participate. That gives a sense of high, you know. Yeah. Next, Chitra, what's your one takeaway for today? Thank you, Indrajit.
Hi everybody. This is the first time I'm attending this mastermind, and it was really great fun. And not only fun, the way you both took it into a specific area, like handling one personality type was very different. I have done this particular exercise before also with our regular masterminds, and there random people were picked, and this gave so much insight into the peacemakers that I actually came to know why my friend was behaving in a certain way that they did.
Thank you.
So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Shika Kotari, what's your one takeaway for today? Shika, can you unmute yourself? Yeah.
This was my first session. I joined it first time, and my takeaway is how to read your personality test and how you can improve it, or if you're going somewhere wrong. So, first basic thing is first you understand yourself. Then only you can take some better action. So that
Let's give a big round of applause for Shika. All of you. Thank you. Thank you, Shika. Nita, what's your takeaway? Unmute yourself.
Yeah, my takeaway was this. Actually, I didn't know all the personality types. So this was the first personality type I came to know, peacemaker. And it's good to get input from different person. Everybody has a different language and different words. So how they react in a particular situation is brings quite a like insight is great in such a interaction.
Thank you. Thank you, Nita. Thank you. Please give a big round of applause for her. Let me tell you this, these masterminds are very powerful. This is a community. This is a place where you can come, share, learn, and connect people. And this is a family where there are no judgments, no inhibitions, no flaws calculated or said about. Once you come every single week, you'll come to see, you'll come to learn, and you'll come to do many activities like this. Not just that, there will be a lot of learning in a fun way, which happens very rarely in the normal day-to-day time.
Right.
Who's left out? Thank you. Thank you, Nita. Yeah, Shika, can you unmute yourself and tell your one takeaway?
Hi, everybody. This was like an extension of yesterday's talk that we were having about. I wrote a message to you also. Kashifa should have been there. She would have really enjoyed this.
Yeah.
And I think like we were discussing yesterday, peacemakers have a very they are that divide remains between what they are on the outside and what they are on the inside. So I think that's what, so that's what I mean. It kind of validated for me that I'm thinking in the right direction. That's how peacemakers behave.
Thank you. Thank you. Arif, your turn. What's your one takeaway for today?
Yeah, my takeaway is if we want to do really well in our life, we have to keep ourselves in a good state. So If we try to keep ourselves in a good state, there the magic start coming. This is what I got, what I understood.
Thank you. Thank you. A big round of applause for him. Thank you. Prachi, what's your takeaway for today? Prachi, yes. Are you there? Seema?
Yes, I'm there, Vinay. So I attended session after a long time, and thank you so much for the uplifting my state one more time. Even though I was not able to participate as I'm outside, but still I attended, I was listening very carefully.
Thank you. Thank you. Who else? Who else is there? Who else is left out? Can you raise your hands? Is there anybody left out to share?
Seerath and Nadia.
Yeah. Prachi, Pratiksha, what's your one takeaway for today?
Hi, thank you. The importance of state is really, really important and just fun. And I love being in this mastermind because the sharing is just so great and the learning is absolutely phenomenal. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing your takeaway. Nadia, what's your takeaway for today?
Hi, everyone. Just as the Pratiksha said, there's a lot of sharing. The rapport we have, it really lifts up to a good state. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing your takeaway. Thank you. Who else?
Yeah, me, Vinay.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. First of all, it was great to understand the peacemakers better. And I also understood that Vinay is half crack. So good. So that was a very good fun activity. Basically I got to know, if it's objection handling that I struggle with. So it's basically, I want to get through it. And there's one more question I wanted to ask, which you didn't let happen.
Come to the mastermind. Come to the mastermind about that part. Come to the mastermind about that part.
What mastermind? I was thinking yesterday, what mastermind you all had?
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Acha, today. Acha, okay.
Yes.
I'll be there, sure.
Yeah. Anybody else? So I'll send you the feedback form. Please fill in the feedback form so that what we need to do in the coming weeks and what are the improvements. See you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Happy Saturday. Happy weekend. See you in the next week. Can I have the commitment that you're coming on Saturday at 5 o'clock? Everyone, see you in the next time, same platform, next week, Saturday. Bye-bye. Take care. Signing off. Bye-bye.